Things have been pretty great for your auto repair shop over the past couple years. Wouldn't you agree? Look, with the cost of new cars just going through the roof and used cars following right there in their footsteps, your customers are pretty much forced into fixing and maintaining what they already have. And that's great news. But from what I'm hearing, the prices are finally starting to ease their way back down. Should you be worried? From my point of view, absolutely not. Why? Because prices are still incredibly high. The average cost of a new car is around $50,000. The average cost of a used car is about $37,000. That's a lot of money for people to spend on a new or a used car. Now, also take in consideration the dealers that have those cars sitting in their lots, they overpaid for those vehicles. So even though the prices are going to come down just a little bit, I think it's going to take a very, very long time before they get down to a point where they're more normal, because a lot of dealers can't absorb the loss on every single vehicle that's sitting on their lot. Now, here's the biggie. We got to look at financing. Because the vehicle cost is so darn high, everybody has to finance those vehicles. And now, with the uncertainty of what's happening in the economy, the banks are starting to get a little bit nervous. And they're tightening their requirements and requiring bigger down payments that people simply don't have to put towards a car. The final nail in the coffin here is the economy. People are worried. People are a little concerned about what's going to be going on in the future. Prices for everything have been going up and up and up, taking larger and larger chunks out of their spendable cash every single month, and they simply can't afford the high payments that these new cars are going to put on their household budget. So what's this mean for you? Bottom line? Go dance in the streets, at least for the next year or two. I think it's going to be quite a while before we're going to start noticing a big change in the auto repair industry with the prices coming down. Okay, forget about all the doom and gloom of the economy and everything that's going on. Focus on providing an outstanding service for your customers and really take care of your employees, because without them, you don't have a crew to do all of that work. You're in a great business right now. If you run it properly, you'll do very, very well. Hey, before we go, please do me a giant favor. Go down, click that like button, leave a comment, follow me, subscribe to the channel. That way, when I come out with these videos, you'll be the first to get them. Thanks for watching.